In front of me I've got Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app and now enter menu. Go to settings, Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap more, agree, continue, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes we'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Tap finish and now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Also, make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled. And now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
It'll be partly cloudy with a high of 64.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.